Idir 1990 agus 1952, sheol Micheál Ó Coileáin agus Kitty Kiernan breis agus 300 litir ag chéile. Is tafa dochreidíad na litricha seo cheann na scéalta grá is mó agus is tragódí in hÉireann. Tréis bháise leanáin, chuinní Kitty Kiernan a maiiliúchan litricha garda a gcónaí, ag cuineáil ngrá buan bew.
It's an extraordinary archive. There's nothing else like it in relation to a love story between such a well-known politician and his love.
It's really wonderful that we have these letters to look at now, because it gives us not only an account of their relationship but an understanding of both of the personalities involved. And of course we have these letters because this was a long-distance relationship. They didn't actually get to meet very often, and so much of their relationship was correspondence.
Tá sin spéisiúil len hain gur raibh an méid sin ama aige do Kitty agus na litricha cé gur raibh sé plé le cuasaí polúla agus cuasaí míleata ag an am stocha go léironn sé tábhacht don ngrá nó tábhacht don cinál cadrúh pásanta